Once upon a time, in a tall leafy tree deep in the forest, there lived a little squirrel named Nutty. Nutty was the smallest squirrel in his family, but he was full of curiosity and loved to explore. He would often watch the older squirrels leap from tree to tree, wishing he could be as brave as them. One sunny morning, while Nutty was gathering acorns, he saw something amazing. A big, shiny red apple hanging from the highest branch of the tallest tree. His eyes lit up with excitement. "I have to get that apple," he thought. But as Nutty looked up at the tall tree, he began to feel nervous. The branches were so high, and the wind made the tree sway. The older squirrels laughed and said, "You're too small to climb that high, Nutty." Determined, Nutty took a deep breath. "I may be small, but I can do big things," he said to himself. Slowly but surely, Nutty began to climb. His little paws gripped the branches, and he carefully made his way higher and higher. The wind blew, but Nutty kept going, never giving up. Finally, after a lot of climbing, Nutty reached the very top of the tree. There in front of him was the shiny red apple. He grabbed it and held it proudly. "I did it!" Nutty cheered. When he returned to the ground, all the other squirrels gathered around, amazed by his bravery. From that day on, Nutty knew that being small didn't mean he couldn't do big, brave things. And every time he saw that tall tree, he remembered the day he conquered his fear and became the bravest little squirrel in the forest.